Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are tackling a common question that many Landbank account holders have. Where do I find my account number? Whether you are a new account holder or just need a refresher, I have got you covered with a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Step 1. First up, if you have a Landbank passbook, finding your account number is super easy. Just open your passbook to the first page. You will see your account number printed right at the top along with your other account details. But what if you don't have your passbook with you? No worries, there are other ways to find your account number. Step 2. Next, let's check the online banking options. Log in to your Landbank online account. Once you are in, navigate to the account details section. Here you will find your account number listed along with your balance and transaction history. Third step, if you are at an ATM, you can also find your account number on your transaction receipt. After completing a transaction, your account number is printed on the receipt under your account details. Now you might be wondering, what if I can't access any of this? Well, don't worry, you can always visit your nearest Landbank branch. Just bring a valid ID and the friendly staff will assist you in retrieving your account number. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. Always keep your account information secure, avoid sharing your account number with anyone you don't trust, and be cautious of phishing scam and that might ask for your banking details. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you find your Landbank account number easily. If you have any more questions or video requests, drop them in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, stay safe and take care.